Good morning student friends. In this lecture we will study various types of materials used for pattern making. Before that we will revise what is meant by pattern. Pattern is replica of the casting. If I have to produce a single casting, I need to manufacture the pattern. Patterns are made up of various shapes and shape of the pattern is slightly larger than the final casting because pattern carries 5 different types of allowances on its surface. That's why pattern is larger in size as compared to the final casting. That is the only difference between pattern and the casting. There are different materials available in the industry. Those are used for making the pattern like metal, wood, plastic, plaster of Paris, wax, resin, mercury. All these are various types of pattern materials. All these are having advantages, limitation and field of applications. One by one we will see various types of patterns. Again in that what is the selection criteria for the pattern material, that we will focus on. First is number of casting to be produced. Now by using a particular pattern, how many castings I am going to produce, that is the first criteria for selection of pattern material. Means if I am using that pattern for the mass production, means 10,000, 1 lakh, 50,000, 10 lakh components I am manufacture, at that time I need to use metallic pattern. And if number of castings are less, I can depend more on the wood. That is the first selection criteria for the pattern material. Second is possibility of design changes in the casting. If that casting is made up of metal, it is very difficult for me to go for any kind of design changes. But if it is made up of plastic or wood, I can make smaller changes in the design of the casting. That is selection criteria. Second type of production of the casting, that is method of molding, hand molding or machine molding. Wooden pattern, plastic pattern, they are or plaster of Paris pattern, they are suitable for hand molding. But for machine molding we have to depend on metal, because for machine molding we need to have more strength to the pattern, because machine will exert more amount of ramming pressure and metallic pattern only withstand that pressure. That's why we have to use metallic pattern. Shape, complexity and size of casting. If shape of the casting is complicated, I can use wooden pattern, because wood is having highest machinability as compared to other pattern materials. If complexity is more, I can use wood. If size of casting is bigger, at that time I can use wooden pattern, because cost of manufacturing wooden pattern is less as compared to metallic pattern. Again metallic patterns are having weight, and if size is more, at that time weight will be more, and it is difficult for molder to handle the metallic pattern which is having bigger size. Again type of molding material used for making the mold. For sand molding I can use wood or metallic pattern, but for mercury as a pattern material I have to use special molding materials. Or for wax also I have to use a specially formulated ceramic slurry mixture, which is a molding material in case of wax as a pattern material. This is the selection criteria for pattern material. Next one, again that criteria is having few points like that pattern material of the pattern should be easy to work, means complicated shape I can easily give. Again it must be easy to join. Again it is easily available in the nature at low cost. It must be light in weight, because molder has to handle the pattern. Wear and abrasion resistance, पॅटर्नची झीज होणे. wear means झीज and abrasion means on surface of pattern after its a continuous use there must not be formation of abrasion. Abrasion म्हणजे ओरखडा. The pattern material must be hard, strong and durable. Life of the pattern will be more, because we are investing money in making the pattern. It should be durable. It must have good surface finish, so that the same surface finish is reflected on the surface of casting. That's why pattern material should be able to give a good surface finish to the final casting. Again pattern material should be stable in all situation. This thing is not applicable to the wooden material. because if wood is kept in the open environment, it is going to absorb the moisture. As and when it will absorb the moisture, it will become a bulkier, or its a dimension will change. That is dimensionally stable in all situations. This criteria is not suitable for the wooden pattern. This is selection criteria for pattern material. Now we have discussed many times, the patterns are constructed from the following materials. Each material has its own advantage, limitation and field of application. Wood, plastic, plaster of Paris, metals and their alloys, rubbers, wax, resin, mercury. All these are various types of pattern materials. One by one we will see. Wood, it is most commonly used pattern material because cost is lower, machinability is highest, and where quantities are less and size of the casting is bigger, at that time I have to use wood as a pattern material. It is inexpensive, easily available, easy to machine and give the complicated shape, easy to acquire the complex shape, light in weight, again easy to obtain the good surface finish. Means after manufacturing of the pattern, we can have grinding on the surface of pattern. Again you can use the oil paints so that you can improve its surface finish, and it can be reflected on the final casting. पुअर विअर रेजिस्टन्स, जे वुडन पॅटर्न आहे त्याचं विअर जास्त होणार, जीज जास्त होणार. अगेन त्याच्या सरफेसवरती सँडमुळं अब्रॅजन होणार, ओरखडे उमटणार. आत्ताच सांगितल्याप्रमाणे व्हेन इट इज प्लेस्ड इन ओपन इन ॲटमॉस्फिअर इट विल ॲब्सॉर्ब द मॉइश्चर. अगेन वुडन पॅटर्न कॅनॉट विस्टँड द रफ हँडलिंग अँड दीज आर वीक ॲज कम्पेअर टू मेटॅलिक पॅटर्न. दीज आर द लिमिटेशन्स ऑफ द वुडन पॅटर्न. These are different categories of the wood: white pine, mahogany, deodar, maple, birch, cherry. All these types of various categories of the wood are used to prepare their patterns. Next one is metal. These metallic patterns are made by using the wooden pattern. Very important thing, again it is going to repeated at the time of studying the allowances. Wooden patterns, we need to make a wooden patterns to form a metallic pattern. Aluminum and its alloys, steel, cast iron, brass, bronze, white metal, all these are the various types of metals used to make the metallic pattern. Advantages: do not absorb the moisture like wood. It is a strong, hard, durable. It is accuracy is more. It possesses a longer life. It can withstand rough handling, which is not possible with wooden pattern. It is dimensional tolerance is accurate as compared to wooden pattern. It is dimensionally stable in all situations. Easy to obtain the smooth surface finish to the metallic pattern. Limitation: metallic patterns are expensive, are not easy to repair. If there is any kind of design changes from the industry, it is very difficult for the metallic patterns to repair. These are heavier, so more efforts are required to handle it. Again, cannot be machined so easily because all the metals are not having the same machinability. Aluminum and its alloys machinability is more, but if we are making cast iron patterns, it is difficult for them to give a complicated shape. That's why machinability is difficult in case of cast iron. Now next one is the plastic. It is durable. Again, it will provide a good surface finish to the final casting. It will not absorb the moisture as like wooden pattern. It is again light in weight as like wooden pattern, so handling is easy. Less efforts are required to handle the plastic pattern. It is having more strength. Wear is less as compared to wooden pattern. These are again corrosion resistance. Metal patterns, they are susceptible to the corrosion. Means when kept in the open environment, corrosion will take place to the metallic pattern, but for this plastic pattern, these are corrosion resistance. Again, it will provide good surface finish, but limitation is it is a fragile. Fragile means delicate. Plastic patterns are delicate, नाजूक असतात, and need a metal reinforcement. म्हणजे जिथं प्लास्टिक पॅटर्नचे डेलिकेट किंवा थिन सेक्शन्स असतात तिथं तुम्हाला मेटल इन्सर्ट्स यूज करायला लागतात. मेटल इन्सर्ट्स आर यूज टू give the metal reinforcement, and by using metal reinforcement we are increasing the strength of plastic pattern. That is the use of metal reinforcement, and they are not suitable for the machine molding. Plastic pattern, wooden patterns, they are not suitable for the machine molding. but metallic patterns are suitable for machine molding. These are some of the limitations of the plastic pattern. Next one is the plaster of Paris. These are easily worked intricate or complicated shapes we can give to the plastic pattern, plaster of Paris patterns. It is having suitable coefficient of expansion, but for wooden pattern, metallic pattern or plastic patterns we need to give the shrinkage allowance. It is not required in case of plaster of Paris, because this material itself is having suitable coefficient of expansion. That's why shrinkage allowance is not required. Compressive strength is more for this plaster of Paris pattern, and again it expands while solidifying. These plaster of Paris patterns are also made by using a molding technique. जसे आपण गणपती बनवतो मोल्डमध्ये प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिस ओतून, तशाच पद्धतीनं प्लास्टर ऑफ पॅरिसचे पॅटर्न बनवले जातात. Wax, this is used in investment casting process or lost wax process. After mercury you will get a maximum good quality surface finish and accuracy by using wax as a pattern material. It gives high accuracy to the casting. Very good quality surface finish you will achieve. Taken out from the mold by melting, means to remove the plastic, plaster of Paris, wood or metallic pattern we have to give the shake allowance, but in this case the wax is removed by melting. That's why there are no chances of damaging of the mold cavity. Mold cavity कधी damage होती? When I am removing the pattern from the mold cavity, at that time damaging of the mold cavity may happen if the technique is not proper. But in case of wax, the wax pattern is removed by melting. That's why there is no chances of damaging of the mold. This is used in investment casting process, or also called as lost wax process, and this is not suitable for the machine molding, because wax is also very much delicate or fragile in nature, and maximum weight of the wax pattern is 5 kg only. Beyond that, if you are going, it is difficult to handle the wax pattern. Now here all these pattern materials we have seen thoroughly. In the next lecture we will see the various types of allowances.